Today, we're counting down the top 5 most haunted places in the world that you should never visit. These places have a dark history, chilling stories, and are believed to be inhabited by restless spirits. So, if you're ready for a scare, let's begin. Number 5. The Island of the Dolls. The Island of the Dolls is an abandoned island filled with dolls hanging from the trees. The island is not only eerie, but it's also a visual nightmare. It is said that the owner of the island found the body of a young girl who had drowned in the water surrounding the island. He was unable to save her, and he was haunted by her spirit. To appease the ghost, he started hanging dolls in her memory. But the dolls were no match for the vengeful spirit, and the dolls are said to have been possessed by the girl's spirit. Visitors who venture to the island have reported feeling an overwhelming sense of dread, as if the dolls are watching their every move. Some have even reported seeing the dolls move on their own, as if they were alive. Number 4. Edinburgh Castle. Scotland. Edinburgh Castle is over 1,000 years old and has seen its fair share of violence and death. Visitors have reported seeing apparitions of soldiers and prisoners, hearing unexplained noises, and feeling an eerie presence throughout the castle. The most haunted area is the Dungeon of Despair, where prisoners were held in cramped, dark cells for days on end. Legend has it that the ghost of a piper who disappeared in the castle's tunnels still haunts the castle today. Number 3. The Screaming Tunnel. The Screaming Tunnel is not a place for the faint-hearted. It is said that the girl who died in the fire was running through the tunnel, screaming for help, but no one came to her rescue. Her screams were heard echoing through the tunnel, and it is believed that her ghost still wanders there, waiting for someone to hear her cries. Visitors who dare to enter the tunnel have reported feeling an oppressive sense of fear, as if something is watching them from the darkness. If someone lights a match in the tunnel, the screams of a young girl pierce the silence, sending chills down the spine of even the bravest visitors. The screams are so haunting that they seem to reverberate through every inch of the tunnel. Number 2. The Bell Witch Cave. The Bell Witch Cave, located in Adams, Tennessee, known for its terrifying and mysterious past, making it a popular destination for those who love a good scare. Legend has it that a witch named Kate Batts haunted the Bell family in the early 1800s, tormenting them with strange noises, voices, and physical assaults. Many locals believe that Kate still haunts the area today, and visitors have reported hearing eerie whispers and feeling cold spots inside the cave. The Bell Witch Cave offers guided tours where you can explore the cave and learn more about the Bell Witch legend. Number 1. The Akigahara Forest. The Akigahara Forest is not just any ordinary forest, but a place where the lines between life and death become blurred. The forest has witnessed countless suicides and is said to be one of the most haunted places in the world. It is said that the spirits of those who have taken their own lives still wander through the trees, haunting anyone who dares to enter. Those who dare to venture deep into the forest have reported hearing unexplained noises and whispers, as if the ghosts are trying to communicate with them. And that concludes our video. We hope you enjoyed learning about these terrifying locations and why they are considered off-limits to visitors. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.